Hi friends, this is Jerome Nitin Latson, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Savitha Engineering College. We are going to see the subject Production of Automotive Components and has a subject code of OIT 751. In this video lecture, you will be seeing about what is the course outcome and what is the course objective and what are some of the textbooks and reference books that you need to go. Okay, the course objective of this subject is to study in detail about the modern casting, forging, molding and machining processes followed in automotive components. So the first point, it deals with what are the things that you are going to study, and then to enhance the knowledge of students in the field of non-ferrous materials, emerging metallic and non-metallic materials like polymers, FRP fiber reinforced plastics, engineering ceramics, MMC metal matrix composites and its manufacturing methods. What are some of the points that you need to consider for selecting a material, property of that material and application for automotive components. So overall, if you see what does this course objective comes to say is, one thing you need to be very clearly having a knowledge of about what are the manufacturing processes that you have already studied in Manufacturing Technology 1 and Manufacturing Technology 2. Also, some of the manufacturing processes or the production processes in Engineering Metallurgy, that is from Unit 2 Engineering Metallurgy, which is nothing but the heat treatment of steels. So that is what the point number 1 says. And in the second point, it says like to have a knowledge of about materials, that is non-ferrous materials and emerging metallic and non-metallic materials like polymers, FRP, MMC. So all those things that you have studied already, but what you are going to do is you are going to have a detailed study of what is the purpose of or what is the use of this particular materials or how these materials are going to be used, and also in order to manufacture this kind of component, what are the things that you are going to select and what are the properties and what is the property required to manufacture that particular component and what is the applications for automotive components. So this is the course objective. And course outcome is nothing but at the end of the course how you will be equipped with the knowledge or the understanding of this subject. It is clearly given here. At the end of this course, the student should be be able to select an appropriate manufacturing process for particular automotive component. So you will be having an idea of for manufacturing this particular component and for this characteristic of the component, you will be selecting what is the, or you will be having a clear idea of about this manufacturing process will be suitable for manufacturing this component. And the second point, have in-depth knowledge of various engineering materials used in automobile engineering and corresponding manufacturing processes for the same. Yes, so once if you are very clear with the manufacturing processes and the manufacturing manufacturing methodologies of how the products are being manufactured, so you will be having a clear idea or the clear knowledge or the in-depth knowledge of a different types of materials and how they are going to be used in the automobile engineering. Some of the textbooks. So the first textbook will be High Speed Combustion Engine from Oxford IBH Publishing and Company, Calcutta 1996, written by the author Held PM, and Kalpak Jian, Manufacturing Engineering and Technology, Pearson Education. Reference B.B. Bharatwaj. It is a book of Production of Automotive Components and Allied Products. Digermo E.P. Materials and Process in Manufacturing. John A.'s Introduction to Manufacturing Process. Kalpak Jian, Manufacturing Process for Engineering Materials. Philip F.O. and Jairo Munuz, Manufacturing Process and Systems. It is from John Wiley and Sons Publications, New York, 1998.